Come on, put on your pants. Come on. Come on, buddy. Put on your pants. Stop holding your breath. Pull them up. Pull them up. Thank you. Stop holding. Not funny. Yeah. Did you have a good time swimming? Did you have fun swimming with David? Stop holding your breath, please. Just put your socks and sneakers on. This is your sock. You put this on your foot. Stop holding your breath. You can't concentrate. Come on. No, you're holding it the wrong way. Come on. Come on. Stop holding. Stop holding your breath. I'm glad you're happy, but you gotta stop holding your breath. Let me help you with the sock. Otherwise we'll be here forever. Okay, these socks are hard to put on because these are the tight ones. Okay? Stop holding them. Oh my goodness.